If your skin feels dry, rough, almost like sandpaper, and you've tried creams, lotions, and remedies without seeing real results, today I want to explain something that can truly make a difference from the inside out. Because yes, there is a simple daily habit that can support your skin, and the best part is, it doesn't rely only on what you apply externally. I'm Dr. Gabriel, and I want to talk to you about something I see very often in my practice. People with dry elbows, cracked knees, arms with tiny bumps that never seem to go away, and a growing frustration because nothing seems to work. This might be happening to you, or to someone close to you. Here's the key point. In many cases, this isn't just about external hydration. It's not only about creams. Your body may be lacking something internally, something it's not receiving, and that shows up directly on your skin. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple, easy-to-find food you can add to your daily routine. With consistency, it can help improve your skin's texture from within in just a few weeks. Stay with me because understanding this is more important than it seems. That persistent dryness could be a sign your body needs certain key nutrients. And when those nutrients are missing, it's not just your skin that's affected, other processes in your body can start to suffer too. Now let's get practical, because that's what really matters. Take 1 medium carrot. Wash it well and grate it, just like you would for a salad. Put it on a plate and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just 1 tablespoon. Mix it well and eat it all. You can do this at any time of the day, with lunch, at dinner, or even as a small snack. Timing is not the most important thing, consistency is. Every single day. 1 grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's it. Now, this is where many people make mistakes without realizing it, and that's why they don't see results. First mistake, eating the carrot by itself. This is very common. Many people think just adding carrots to their diet is enough, but it's not. Carrots contain vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, but your body needs fat to absorb it properly. Without that fat, the vitamin simply passes through your digestive system and isn't used. Olive oil acts like a key that allows that nutrient to actually enter your body and do its job. Second mistake, using just any oil. Not all oils work the same. It's essential to use olive oil, ideally virgin or extra virgin. Processed vegetable oils don't offer the same benefits and don't support this process in the same way. Olive oil not only improves absorption, it also provides healthy fats that help nourish your skin from within. Third mistake, expecting immediate results. This is also very common. Your skin needs time to renew itself. It doesn't change overnight. If you start today, don't expect a transformation tomorrow. But if you stick with this habit every day, patiently, within 2 to 3 weeks you may start noticing changes: softer skin, less tightness, a healthier appearance. I remember a 56-year-old patient who came in very concerned about the dryness on her arms. She had tried everything without success. When we began making small changes like this, focused on what her body needed internally, within a few weeks she started noticing improvements in her skin. It wasn't magic, it was consistency and understanding what her body truly needed. If this information is helping you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming content I prepare for you, all designed to help you take care of your health in a practical and simple way. The fourth mistake is thinking that if 1 carrot works, then 5 will work better. That's not true. In this case, more does not mean better results. 1 carrot a day is enough. Consuming too much over time can lead to an excess of vitamin A in the body, which may cause issues, especially for the liver. So the key is balance. 1 carrot a day, no more, no less. Now, if what I'm sharing is giving you a practical solution you can start today, save this content and share it with someone who might be going through the same thing. Many people spend years applying creams without results, not realizing the change can begin with something this simple. Let's now clearly understand what's really happening in your skin. Your skin renews itself every day, even if you don't notice it. It's a continuous process where old cells shed and new cells form to replace them. When these new cells are created under the right conditions, your skin looks smooth, flexible, and healthy. But for that process to work properly, your body needs essential nutrients, and one of the most important is vitamin A. Vitamin A acts like a signal that helps cells grow strong and well-formed. When it's lacking, new cells don't develop as they should, they're weaker, drier, and that leads to rough, dull, or flaky skin. There's another key point. Your skin produces its own natural hydration through small glands that release oils. That's what keeps your skin soft. But when vitamin A is insufficient, those glands don't function properly, and your skin loses that natural protection, becoming drier. That's why creams are often not enough. They can provide temporary relief on the surface, but if the issue is internal, the results will be limited. This is where carrots become important. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. In other words, you're directly supplying the nutrient your skin needs to renew itself properly. But there's one crucial detail you must not forget. This vitamin needs fat to be absorbed. Without fat, your body cannot use it efficiently. Olive oil plays exactly that role. It helps transport the nutrient from your intestines, then it goes to the liver where it's converted, and finally it's distributed through your bloodstream until it reaches your skin. When this process works properly, you start noticing real changes. Your skin regenerates better, regains some of its natural hydration, and that rough feeling gradually decreases. Let me share something brief from my practice. A 62-year-old patient told me that, besides dry skin, he felt like his skin wasn't responding to anything. After incorporating simple changes like this into his daily routine, consistently, he began to notice improvements, not only in texture, but also in how his skin retained moisture. It was gradual, but very noticeable for him. Now, this goes beyond your skin. Vitamin A also plays an important role in your immune system. It helps protect mucous membranes, the skin, the eyes, and other areas against infections. There are conditions that affect the skin and other parts of the body, and when your vitamin A levels are adequate, your body has more tools to respond effectively. This doesn't mean one food is a complete solution, but it is part of a set of habits that support your overall health. It's important to understand this. Maintaining good levels of these nutrients doesn't just impact how you look on the outside, it also affects how your body functions on the inside. It's a way to support your well-being as a whole. Now let's talk about the benefits you may start to notice if you maintain this habit consistently. The first, and most obvious, is that rough skin begins to soften. This is often noticeable in areas like elbows, knees, or arms. Over time, the texture improves and the skin feels more even. The second benefit is reduced flakiness. That peeling or shedding skin starts to decrease because new cells are stronger and more stable. And there's a third benefit many people don't expect: better vision adaptation in low-light environments. Vitamin A also supports vision, especially in dim lighting. As your levels improve, some people notice their eyes adjust better to darkness. All of this happens gradually, not overnight, but with real results when you stay consistent. When your body gets enough vitamin A, not only does your skin improve, but your mucous membranes become healthier as well. These are the moist areas of your body, like your mouth, throat, and eyes. When they're well nourished, they dry out less and become less irritated, which means fewer dry eyes, less dry mouth, and less discomfort when swallowing. Now let's organize everything into a clear, simple plan you can follow over the next 3 weeks. Week 1. Every day, eat 1 medium grated carrot with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can add a little salt or a few drops of lemon if you like. The key is to eat it and stay consistent. At this stage, you may not see major changes yet, but your body is already starting to receive what it needs. Week 2. Continue exactly the same. 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, every day. By the end of this week, some people begin to notice subtle improvements. The skin feels a bit softer, less tight, not dramatic, but definitely a step in the right direction. Week 3. Keep going. This is when changes are usually more noticeable. Your skin feels more flexible, less dry, and looks healthier. You may even notice that the creams you use start working better because your skin now has internal hydration support. Take a moment to evaluate: has the texture improved? Has the roughness decreased? Does your skin feel different? If yes, you can continue this habit long-term. The combination of carrot and olive oil is safe and beneficial when consumed in moderation. It's simple, accessible, and can easily become part of your daily routine, just stick to the recommended amount. However, if after 3 weeks you don't notice any improvement, it's important to consider other possibilities. Your dry skin may not be only nutritional. Conditions like dermatitis, psoriasis, or even hormonal issues such as thyroid problems may require medical evaluation. In fact, pay close attention to this. If your dry skin is accompanied by constant fatigue, hair loss, brittle nails, or constipation, it could indicate something deeper. In those cases, it's best to consult your doctor for a full assessment. There are also special situations to consider. If you are pregnant, avoid taking vitamin A supplements without medical supervision. 1 carat a day is safe, but excess intake can be harmful. And if you're taking medications like those used for acne, which already contain vitamin A derivatives, you should avoid excessive consumption. I remember a patient who came in worried not only about her dry skin, but also about fatigue and fragile nails. She thought it was just part of aging. But after a deeper evaluation, we found an imbalance that needed attention. That's why I always tell you, listen to your body. Your skin is often a reflection of something deeper. Before you go, I want to speak to you personally. If this content has helped you, I invite you to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with someone who might need it. Sometimes, a simple share can help someone understand what's happening and take action in time. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know if this is working for you or if you relate to this situation. And I'd like to invite you to pause for a moment and be grateful to God for your life, for your body, and for every opportunity to learn and improve your health. Because when you become aware and make small changes, you're taking care of the most valuable gift you have. Always remember the essentials: 1 medium grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, every day. A simple, consistent habit that can help transform your skin from within. Here on Dr. Gabriel Mina's channel, we're truly happy to support you on your journey toward better health, with clear, practical information designed for you. Tomorrow, we'll have a new video prepared with great care, and I'd love for you to be there, learning and growing with us.